guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. This is a new channel which I've started because the first channel which is Janvi Unfiltered जिस पे मैंने बहुत trusted एक base बना लिया था, but that channel eventually turned out to be a finance channel, and now that is going well as a finance channel. We are doing very well there. सो जैसे आपने वहाँ पे सपोर्ट किया था इनिशियली मुझे, आप यहाँ पे भी प्लीज़ सपोर्ट करो एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो प्लीज़, बिकॉज जल्दी जल्दी 1000 सब्सक्राइबर करा दो यार. सो बेसिकली वी आर इन विंटर्स. सो अभी हम विंटर्स में हैं एंड विंटर्स में बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब लगती है, बट मेरी नहीं लग रही. एंड देयर इज़ नो ड्राइनेस. यू नो वाई? बिकॉज आई यूज़ द राइट प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड ऑनेस्टली मेरी भी बहुत ख़राब थी. एंड एक दिन मेरे भाई ने मेरे पैर पे ऐसे स्क्रैच किया. ही वाज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, योर लेग इज़ सो ड्राई. एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन आई अपग्रेडेड माय बॉडी लोशन, माय इंटायर स्वच्छता का राज. आई स्मेल गुड, आई फील गुड, आई एम हाइड्रेटेड, माय बॉडी इज़ मॉइस्चराइज्ड. And before my drama and Nautanki peaks, let's get started. So, all my life, I have used Nivea, and I'm not saying that they are bad. They're really good. They're really, really good, and they are definitely my trusted one for body care. You know, I have this big bottle, and अभी तो ये ख़त्म हो गया है. इसमें barely कुछ निकल रहा है. But this is what a Nivea body lotion is like. And it feels good. It feels nice, it works, it does the job, it gives you the moisturization, and this is the most trusted product, of course. अपने दादी नानी के ज़माने से it's like an age old brand. So I'm definitely going to give a shout out because I'm someone who never experimented with body lotions. I only used Nivea, and I will still stick to Nivea. But we have slightly better, slightly more advanced, and slightly more specific skin concern specific body lotions in the market, and thus I tried them and now I love them. So I'm going to talk about them. And also they look very cute, so why not introduce you to Hula Hoop. Oh my god, they're so cute. Like, just look at these, they're so damn good. These are Hula Hoop by Foxtail. Of course they upgraded the packaging, and उनके पैकेजिंग में उन्होंने ये हुला हुप डाल दिया है दोनों बॉटल्स पे. उनके 2 बॉडी लोशंस हैं, मैंने दोनों ट्राई किए हैं. एक मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, एक मैंने इतना यूज़ नहीं किया. एक्चुअली सिर्फ थोड़ा यूज़ किया आप लोग को एक जेन्युइन रिव्यू देने के लिए. बट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द वन विच आई हैव यूज्ड अ लॉट. It is the Swiss Milk Ultra Nourishing Body Lotion, 72 hours plus moisturization, 10% hydration boosters with ceramides and oats kernel oil, and it has an amazing fresh fragrance. The fragrance is top notch, and this one of course has a lot of similar ingredients like Nivea. The number 1 and number 2 ingredient is very much similar. Basically हर body lotion में यही 2 ingredients होते हैं, which is aqua and paraffinum liquidum. So that is the ingredient which is definitely there. but इसमें और क्या better है? इसमें there is shea butter, there is ceramide, there is multiple types of ceramides, there is some glycerol, there is some oats, there is some kernel. There are a lot of good things also in this. So that actually makes it smell very, very good, very fresh. Let's talk about the product. So I'm not going to take a lot because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ अपने ऊपर आज. This is very nourishing. Firstly, this is thick. Okay, so if you are someone who lives in I live in Bombay, but I still love it and I use it. But I understand that not everyone will like this because it's thicker than usual, and of course because it being thicker, people might not want to go with it. I'll just show you how thick it is. So if you see this, it's taking in some time to absorb because it is slightly thicker, and it is gonna give you a good layer across your skin. But it is so fresh. Honestly मुझे तो लगता है इसमें थोड़ा glitter और shine भी है because my skin shines, my skin feels good, and it feels extremely moisturized. मेरे को सबसे बड़ा problem है cracking का. My skin is extremely dry. Thus this being thick works for me because it's an extremely dry skin that I work with, and because it's a very dry skin, this really feels very good, and this is the one which I've used the most. So I have no complaints. Along with working very nicely, it of course does not give any kind of side effects. There's no bad alcohol in it that it impacts my skin because I'm a very high sensitive skin type. तो उधर से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द प्रोडक्ट इज़ वेल फॉर्मुलेटेड. इट स्मेल्स heavenly. It literally smells like something so yummy and so beautiful, and I don't need a perfume if I have this, because it works as a perfume and it works as a body lotion, and the smell really lingers for a really long time. So it does stay for 4 to 6 hours. So it's really good if you're gonna go to your office, wear this and go. The weather's getting really dry, at least in the months of January, February it's gonna get drier. So one must definitely use this one for winters, and this is like प्रॉपर विंटर वाला. आई डोंट थिंक आई वुड यूज़ दिस इन समर्स बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा चिपचिप होएगा बॉम्बे में, एंड उसके वजह से दिस माइट नॉट वर्क वेरी वेल फॉर मी. बट या फॉर विंटर्स इट्स डेफिनेटली अ टॉप नॉच. प्लस आई थिंक टीरा के डिस्काउंट्स एंड सेल के बाद आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक $260, which is a steal, and for 250 ml. So definitely love it. The second one is their Sakura Season Brightening Body Lotion. This is for even glowing skin, and this has niacinamide and kojic acid. Now this has a fragrance of sakura flowers, so this smells very floral and very like fresh and floral. This smells more fresh, this smells more floral, and this is very light. So this is something you can use it in summers. Also very nice because especially in cities when the धूप is so much on us, tanning का डर होता है and बहुत problems होती है. So this is a brightening one, so this is gonna cut down the effect of tanning as well. And I'll just show you. This is very light. See, you can see how it flows. I'm just gonna apply it on another hand of mine. This is very light. This is like instant melting into your skin. Did you just see that? This slightly has a more floral scent, so if you don't like it, or if you want to use it as a man, then maybe you won't enjoy this floral scent. But very lightweight. This one is heavy, so it might take some time to absorb, but this one absorbs instantly and works very well. Now brightening का claim कितना काम करता है मुझे नहीं पता, but अभी I'm going to use it for 15-20 days. So I will definitely, the moment this video comes out, I'm going to put it in the comments if it works or not, because this video will come out after 15 days. But this is non-sponsored. I bought it all from my own money, and Tira did a garbad. They did not give me the body washes, so I'm waiting that I get the body washes तो मैं उसका भी review कर सकती हूँ. I'm not a body wash person. I believe it's very anti-climate, but because it was cute, I got it. Just the girl at the end of the day. But yeah, these are really good. They work very well, and I think they are just an upgrade to the Nivea that we always use. Not demeaning on Nivea, I love Nivea. Okay, I'll stick to this and I will go back to this definitely. But I think these are a definitely worth it upgrade that I have gotten to my body lotion. And I believe in body lotions. Body lotions की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है because I mean especially if you are a highly dry skin person. And this is so cool, the hula hoop thingy. Love it. Okay, fine. This is a 10 on 10 from Janvi. I hope you guys like this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye. I love you all. Please subscribe. Please. Please.